10 who scores between 0 to 15. 50 to 100. Total in a tournament of 3 matches or 5 matches, the 5 players scores between 50 to 100. 25 scores from 100 to 150. 30 players scores from this one, then 200 to 250, 10, 250 to 300. That means in the whole tournament of a cricket match, it is given as the number of players who scores their total score in between this range. So here we want to find out the mode. So mode we want to find out. So first of all we write down this formula. Then we find out the modal class. Modal class is the class corresponding to highest frequency. Here we can see that the highest frequency is 30. So the modal class is 150 to 200. So after obtaining this, it is very easy for us to identify the values of capital L. Capital L means the lower limit 150. Then we will find out F0, F1 and F2. F0 is this, F1 is this value, F0 is this, F2 is this one. Okay. So here we have F0 is 25, 30 and 10. And H is the length of the interval 200 minus 150, that is 50. So we will have mode, therefore mode equal to L plus 150 plus F1 minus F0 means 30 minus 25 divided by 2F1 means 60 minus F0 minus 10 into H, H is 50. So if we use the calci, then we can find out its answer as 160. So mode is also very easy to find out. Okay. Now, so up to now we have seen each of the 3 cases how to find out mean, median and mode. Now and onwards, whenever I will discuss to you about mean, then it will always mean as arithmetic mean. So by default, we will consider mean as arithmetic mean in the further study. So there is a relation between mean, median and mode. So mode equal to 2 median minus 3 mean. So this is the relation between mean, median and mode, you can see. So you remember this formula, because by remembering this formula, if we are asked the question in examination to find out mean, median and mode, everything for the single data, then we require to find out at least 2 of these 2, either mode and median or median and mean or mode and mean. Then the third one you can find out easily by using this formula. So let us see one example of this kind. Okay. So first of all, let us see example for the following data of a test of 50 marks, find mean, median and mode. The data is given as marks and number of students. So here the example can be of any kind. Simply we will have to observe the data, what is given to us, whether we are given ungrouped data or simple frequency distribution or group frequency distribution. So here let us see. The data is given from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, and 45 to 50. So these marks have been distributed in the range of 5. So the number of students getting marks within this range is 5, 2, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1. So here you can find whatever you feel easy to find out. Here in the solution I will find out mean. I will find out mean. As you will also get revision how to find out mean. Then I will find out median, and mode can be obtained from this formula. Mode can be also be obtained very easily because you will have to find out the highest frequency, which is 7, as we have seen in the last example. Corresponding modal class is 30 to 25. So capital L, F0, F1 and F2 are there. So mode is also very easy to find out. So if you want to find out mode, you can find out. Median is also very easy to find out because for median we will require to find out cumulative frequency, and this we will see in this process. So to find out mean, here we will make the use of formula x bar equal to a plus x bar equal to, you must have seen the formula which we have written during our study. This is nothing but h upon n into sigma fi di dash. Here h is written, so di dash I have written, where di dash is nothing but xi minus a upon h. H is the length of the interval and capital A is the assumed value. Okay. So here I will not write down the classes, so as to avoid the lengthy process and to save the time. So instead of this I will write down xi and fi. Xi means the median values, mid values, 0 plus 5 by 2, that means 2.5. It is 5 plus 10 by 2, that means 7.5, 12.5, there 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, and there 47.5, and corresponding frequencies are 5, 2, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 2, 2 and 1, and total. Here we will draw the line to find out the total frequency, that is total frequency we can find out 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. So this is 33, that means the total number of students is 33. Now see one thing, suppose if I have not used this h, simply I have used xi minus a, then I could have written here, we would have written here di only, di equal to xi minus a. Then a will be any value which we assume from this one, from this column. From this column mostly we are assuming the central value 3, 3, 4, 4. There are two values over here, so you can assume anyone as a. So I will assume this as a. So here simultaneously I will write down the values. Capital A equal to 22.5. You can also assume 27.5 if you want. Okay. Then if you don't use h, then you can have to find out here fi into di. That means di is simply xi minus a. You will require to find out di only, xi minus a. Okay. But it will take long numbers. That means the lengthy numbers. Instead of this, I will make the use of h, dids, h equal to 5, the length of the interval 5, you can see. So 2.5 minus 22.5, that means 20. 20 by 5, that means minus 4. It will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So numbers are becoming very smaller. If we could not have used h, then here we would have written 20, minus 20. Here we would have written minus 15, etc. So here it will become 0. Then 27.5 plus 5 minus 22.5 means 5 by 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we will find out Fi into Di dash. It is very simple. If you divide dash, then it will become very simple. So Fi into Di dash means minus 5, minus 20, minus 6, minus 6, minus 4, 0, 3, 4 to the 8, 6, 4 to the 8 here, and 5 1 is a 5. And find out the total. Total is also will be very simple. Its total is minus 6. Its total is minus 6. So actually every calculations whatever you want to write, you must write down below the table. Here due to the size of the board, I am writing on right hand side here. So therefore we have x bar equal to A. Capital A is 22.5. H is 5. Capital N is total, that means 33. And the sigma Fi Di dash we have obtained as minus 6. So if we calculate this one, then we can find out its answer as 21.591 marks. That means average marks of the students will be 21.591. So it is very easy. So here you had the revision of finding the mean. That means arithmetic mean. Now we will find out median. Median for a group data, we have already seen the formula capital L plus H upon F. H upon F into capital F by 2 minus capital F. So how were we finding? For that we were finding first median class. Median class. Median class, to find out median class we will require to find out cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means the total of this one. Frequency, simple frequencies. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 3 24, 24 28, 28 plus 2 30, 30 plus 2 32 and 32 plus 1 33. So here to find out the median class we have capital N equal to 33. This implies that capital N by 2 equal to 16.5. Therefore we will find out the cumulative frequency from this column. We have earlier seen how to find out median, and that's why you will have no problem in finding out the median class. So median class can be obtained by finding capital N, then capital N by 2, then find out CF just greater than 16.5. This is 21. So therefore CF just greater than 16.5 is 21. You can see from this column, and the corresponding class that is 21 7, corresponding class was 22 25. You can see here 22 25. It is 22.5. Therefore it is taken from this class 22 25. So this is our median class, and after obtaining median class we can find out the values of these symbols. Capital L is the lower limit, that is 20 here. H is 5, it is the length of the interval. Small f is the interval frequency corresponding to this class. It is 7. Capital N by 2 is already there, 16.5, and capital F is the frequency just preceding the cumulative preceding the median class, that means 14. And after putting all these values over here we can find median equal to capital L means 20 plus H 5 upon 7 into capital N by 2 is 16.5 minus capital F is 14 is equal to this. If you find, then you will get its answer as 21.786 marks. Okay. Then to find out mode, so here you should write down that we know that mode equal to 2 median minus 3 mean. So 2 into median. Median means 21.786 minus 3 into mean. Mean means we have obtained 21.591. So if you calculate this one, then you will get the answer 22.176 marks. So this is the median. So everything you can find out in a single from a single problem by using these facts. So suppose mode, if you obtain mode first, then how could you have proceeded? Okay. For that, to find out the median, you are knowing that 7 was the highest frequency. We are looking the another part of this one. 7 highest frequency was 7, and therefore your model class will be 20 to 25. 7 was the highest frequency. Yes, 7 was the highest frequency. So the mode has the formula was L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here L was what? L was 20, lower limit. F1, F0 and F2 are what? We call this as F1 and F0 as this and F2 is the next frequency. So F1 was 7, F0 is 4 divided by 2F1, 7 to the 14 minus F0 means 4 minus F2. F2 was, just I have erased the data, so F2 was 3, the frequency after 10 was 3 into H, H means 5. So if you calculate this one, you will get the same answer, 22.176 as this one. So here you can find out the two things, either mean median, median mode or mode and mean, whatever you find easily to obtain. Okay. So here is the concept of mean, median and mode. One more example, just I am giving you for your practice. You can find out mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode. Find mean, median and mode. For your practice, I am giving you one example. Here, the classes are given and frequencies have been given. The classes are from 50 to 53, 53 to 56, 56 to 59, 59 to 62, 62 to 65, 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, and 74 to 77. Okay, and frequencies are given as 3, 8, 14, 30, 36, 28, 16, 10 and 5. So here in this problem you can do the same process as we discussed in the last example. So if you want to find out mean, then mean has the answer. Mean will be 63.82. If you find out mode, here I have obtained mode first because it was very easy to find out. So mode was 63.29. Then after using the formula, mode equal to 2 median minus 3 mean. I have obtained a median, that means median, 2 median equal to mode plus 3 mean divided by 2. So if you will use this formula, then you will get median as 63.67. Otherwise, actually here, one thing you remember that you don't require compulsorily to use this formula. You can find out median directly also if you wish. Okay? Each and everything you can find out directly without using this formula also. So you can get practice of this example after by sparing some time. Okay? So in the next lecture we will see more things It's just like we have obtained median to find out something. Okay, thank you.